should get some Pam on that road and clean it up there.
Hey Joe, do you ever think you'd see Dad doing this?
Hey?
Do you ever think you'd see the old man doing this?
Holy fuck, no. I never seen him fucking ziplining either.
That's true. This
These
is
are the zipliners.
I know.
Did he really tell you? No. It really happened? No. Did you show him the fucking, you had the bruise on your fucking...
on my phone, yeah.
Did you show him?
We're going off a fucking tractor. Off a tractor.
It was too high of a gear. Yeah. He doesn't have it though. That was just the over-under shift that he shifted.
Still fucking hanging the thing. Look at that. What year did you buy, I think,
Yeah. And I'm the one who fucked him up. I told him run 4.
What did he say? He wanted to run...
Yeah, he wanted to run 3. He's gonna yell at me when he gets back here. Sorry.
Hey, is that the horse judge guy?
What?
Is that the horse guy?
I have no idea.
One year.